ऑल गाइस क्या चल रहा है?
अंकल बिटकॉइन चल रहा है।
Recently, all we have heard about crypto coins and blockchains are going to change the world. But what exactly is this new technology and how does it work? Hey fam, welcome to my channel. Let's find out what Bitcoin is, how does it work, and its history in this video. Bitcoin is not only the first cryptocurrency, but it is the most well known of over 5,000 cryptocurrencies now in use. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a digital currency that you can buy, sell, and exchange without the use of middlemen such as banks or government. Bitcoin is a type of currency in which no physical coins exist and only balance shows on the public ledger or recorded. Is it safe if there is no bank or government behind it? Blockchain is a technology that locks all the transactions. Cryptocurrency says that makes it safe than traditional currencies as credit cards and cash can be stolen. What is blockchain technology? Blockchain is such a big concept I wouldn't go into detail about in this video. Instead, I will make a separate video on it. Blockchain is an open source technology that provides an alternative to the traditional middleman for Bitcoin transaction. This means the data is kept in the blocks that are connected to the previous blocks, and the system was designed in such a way that is difficult or impossible to break or hack it. Bitcoin price changes every hour in terms of Indian currency, and one Bitcoin value is up to rupees 48 lakh. It is the all the time high price of Bitcoin. At the time of recording this video, one Bitcoin trading at rupees 25 lakh. Who invented Bitcoin and how does it work? It was created in 2008 by an unknown individual or a group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. The identity of individual or a group of people who invented the technology is still a mystery. In 2018, Satoshi Nakamoto published a 9-page white paper titled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system on the internet. Simply, Bitcoin is a peer-to-peer payment system that allows one person to complete the transaction with another without going through the third party or organization. This helps you to avoid double spending in the system. All forms of transactions will be recorded on a specific network, not on the basis of trust but on the basis of proof of work. Since its public launch in January 2009, Bitcoin has risen dramatically in the value because of its limited quantity. Once it traded under $150 per coin, but as of 1st March 2021, one Bitcoin currently sells for above $50,000. In activity, there are only 21 million Bitcoin available for mining. As of 20 March 2021, there are 18 million Bitcoins exist in the market. How to get Bitcoin? There are two ways to get Bitcoin. First method, Bitcoin can be mined in such a way that gold can be mined. People compete to mine Bitcoin by using computers to solve complicated mathematical puzzles, which is how Bitcoins are produced. To mine Bitcoin, you will need very powerful computers with the highest level graphic cards. Second method, buy them on any exchange or accept in return of goods and service. You can't use them to pay for goods and service in India, but in another country acceptable. To buy Bitcoin, you need a exchange. For that, Binance is the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange. You may use WazirX in India. It is the largest Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange in India. There are over 100 cryptocurrencies are listed. I have given these two exchanges links in the description. You can open your account free of cost. Is Bitcoin legal in India? Investing in cryptocurrencies has never been 100% legal in India. Yes, you heard it right. The Supreme Court of India removed the banking ban imposed on cryptocurrency firms in March 2020, allowing banks and other financial institutes to care about cryptocurrencies' basic transaction without restrictions. Finally, should I invest or not? Yes, you should. Keep in mind that Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies is a currency, not a business or stock, which means you can buy the currency and use it where you want. But follow these steps. Never invest more than you are willing or able to lose, because Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are very risky investments that you should keep in mind at all the time. I am not saying that Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrencies is not illegal or it will go away one day. It is a risky because of an unimaginable volatility. In stock market there are regulations. There are circuits of 5%, 10%, 20%, upper and lower circuits. More than that stocks can't move. But there are no regulations in cryptocurrency. So anyone may manipulate it easily and they pump and dump prices. Only buy and sell on trusted exchanges like OZRX or Binance or any other. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.